Guys, welcome to another episode of Diamond Shine Soaps Recipes, okay? I'm going to be giving you guys a wonderful recipe of long-lasting, highly scented perfume oil roll-on. These are really good to sell in the summertime. Listen, y'all, you're only using about 10 milliliters worth of product. But before we get into that, if you guys want the recipe, in the description box, I have a Patreon. You can join the Patreon where I have unlimited recipes. In the description box, I have a click link that says recipe where you can go straight to my website, purchase the recipe, and you don't even have to join the Patreon. The Patreon is better because you get unlimited access to everything that I've ever made, okay? All right, so this is very simple, guys. They normally sell between $7 and $14. Some people sell them for like $14 or more. Me, myself, I'm going to be selling mine for about $7 to $9, okay? It just depends on the type of night. Either way around, it don't cost you but a few cents to make them. The bottles are very cheap. The labels are really cheap. I mean, to make them, they really don't cost much. Okay, so this is one of them products that you're going to get more bang for your buck. All right, so we're going to be using some glass bottles today. And these are normally called the essential oil roll-on bottles. Okay, so what you do is you just take these, you just kind of roll them on your skin, and it really lasts for a very long time. You don't have to use perfume spray. So this is DPG, and DPG is actually considered an anchor. It helps your fragrance to last a little bit longer, and it actually slows down evaporation. So with that being said, it boosts the scent throw. You're going to need some fragrance. Now, when it came down to the fragrance, guys, listen, I only use luxury fragrances. And reason being is because some of these people are tired of smelling cocoa cashmere and, all of that stuff that we've been using for a long time. So I only use stuff that I know that will sell without a shadow of a doubt. Fractionated coconut oil, the reason why we're using that is because it adds balance and skin nourishment. It's very light, so you don't have to worry about it being very heavy or tacky on the skin. We're going to be using some castor oil, and the castor oil acts like a glue for fragrance on the skin. It sticks to the skin, and that's the reason why I love castor oil, okay? Castor oil is a must. With the balance that we have with the coconut oil, we will also be using isopropyl maestrate, and that actually gives it a very silky feeling, okay? I love isopropyl maestrate in my body butters, and I know you are going to love it in this recipe, okay? So grab you a mixing bowl, beaker, whatever you want to use, and the first thing we are going to do is we are going to add our fragrance to it. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab your DPG and add your DPG. Go ahead and add your isopropyl maestrate. Next thing up is coconut oil. And last but not least, we are going to add our castor oil. Well, actually not the last. Go ahead and add your vitamin E. Now you want to go ahead and mix everything together. Now this is the best part. You are going to go ahead and pour it into your bottles. Now simply place your tops on, and bada bing, bada boom. Oh, you know what? I forgot to tell you guys, you definitely want to make sure that when you purchase your bottle, you get the ones with the metal top. It is very important because I hear so many bad reviews about the plastic roller. They said that they break. You do not want to have those problems, okay? All right, they might be cheap, but we don't want what's cheap all the time, okay? All right, so go ahead and put your tops on, and guess what? We are finished. And this is our finished product. See you guys again soon.